are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, you guys know that I'll see something on Instagram or TikTok or whatever, and it looks cool. It's a little tip, little trick in the kitchen, and I gotta see if it's any good. Lots of people do that, but I'm gonna try this. I saw it once, probably about a month ago, but I've never seen anybody else do it since. So we're gonna do an experiment. We're gonna try it out in 4 different flavors. We're gonna see which one's the best, and let's get started. By the way, I just want to talk about something to everybody watching the show. Some of you follow me on social media. Some of you just follow me on YouTube. Some of you just watch my live streams. Either way, there is no way I'll have anybody post a GoFundMe on my chats, comments, wherever. So I'm warning you, if you see anybody on the channel, on my social media, anything to do with me, and a GoFundMe, unless it's my family members, like Brianna having brain surgery or something, I'm not going to do it. Do not fall, just because it's on my channel, doesn't mean there aren't scammers, okay? I will tell you the 2 times I've ever done it. When the brain surgery was going on for Brianna, she had a GoFundMe that I posted. She had it, wasn't mine. But she asked me if I would share it, so I did. The other time was, and I keep doing it, on the channel I support Convoy of Hope. So the tragedy that's happening in Texas right now, Convoy of Hope is already there with supplies, taking care of people. They're on the road right away. Anywhere in the world, not just U.S. So I support them. They're probably the first ones on the scene. I think they're out of Missouri, I think. But you'll see a join button. I don't even touch the money. If you donate $1 to Convoy of Hope to help people wherever the tragedy is, it will go straight to them. I don't see it. But you will see it on my channel. That's all I can think of right now. Anyway, be careful, be safe. Don't fall for scammers. That's it. Okay, so let's get started on our experiment. So the experiment is this. You can pour seasoning into a jar of pickles, let it set overnight, and have flavored pickles. Okay, never heard of it, never tried it. I don't know why nobody's ever talked about it before, but so we're gonna do this. Grab your favorite pickles. I don't care how big the jar is. If they're whole pickles, slice them in half so you can penetrate them with the seasoning. Then put them back in the jar, okay? These are already spears. We're going to do, I got Blackstone pineapple sriracha. I got burrito tacos. I got ranch. We're gonna have ranch pickles. And I got Italian dressing packet. So we're gonna have Italian dressing pickles. Once again, I honestly don't know anybody that doesn't like pickles. But if you like them more dill, grab the whole dill ones, cut them in half. You can try this trick at home. Let's see if it works first before you waste your money and go ahead and kill a whole jar of pickles. So I'll taste them all and I'll tell you which one's the best. They're gonna sit overnight. So let's get these babies open. Oh yeah, and really quick, the prepping videos will continue. More prepping on the way. They're just not gonna be all in a row. So I'm gonna mix them in with regular videos like this. So be looking for the Prepping Food series. All right, guys, so let's take a look here. All right, so the first jar, let's make sure we got that packet open, yeah. I don't think we're gonna need more than 1 packet of seasoning. I'll take a look at it and see. Just gonna pour the Italian in there. Pour the ranch. The burrito tacos. This is going to be very interesting. Look at that. Then we're going to put in the pineapple sriracha, Italian ranch, burrito tacos, and pineapple sriracha. All right. We're going to cover these up. Give them a good shake. Then we're going to pop this back in the refrigerator. Pop those back in the refrigerator. And we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys. So you can literally season with your favorite seasoning if this works. I've only seen ranch done, but I decided to try different flavors. So pineapple sriracha and burrito taco are last. Let's do, just spill it all over. Okay. Let's do the ranch one first, because that's the most popular. Okay. Mm-hmm. Guys, that's really good. Ranch came out good. Okay, let's try Italian. It's really good, but I like ranch better. All right, let's try. This one scares me. Let's try burrito taco. It didn't take to the seasoning too well. It's okay, but it's very light. It didn't grab onto the flavor. I wouldn't recommend that one. Okay, guys. Let's try pineapple sriracha. Little bit of heat. I can't taste pineapple at all. That didn't do good. That did okay, but didn't take to the flavor. This one is the best. The one that's gone viral. Ranch seasoning. Italian dressing packet is second best. Try it out. These two are just meh. I wouldn't do these again. This I would totally do again.